Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. Today we have two huge solutions for the Alfa community. And I know you guys want a quadrifoglio update, but we're doing a lot of different stuff in the background. Today we gotta talk about these products because we have them live on the website. And a lot of people have been requesting it and ordering it, and I don't even have product pictures, but we're gonna do a how-to video. We didn't film this how-to video, one of our subscribers did. First product we're gonna talk about is bumper tab replacements, the most common problem for Alfa Romeo Giulia owners. So if you guys aren't aware, look at this cool, look at all the cars. Wow. So one of the biggest problems that Alfa Romeo owners have are these bumper brackets. When these brackets break, which is very common for them to do because they're very weak, the only solution is to replace the whole entire bumper, which is pretty expensive. So what we did, if you guys don't know, Mike, he's done all our 3D design. He designed full replacement tabs. So these tabs clip in just like this. You JB weld the bumper to these brackets and it snaps in. Now because we have the GTAM replica bumper, we didn't need the tabs. So one of our subscribers, Johnny, actually filmed an entire how-to install video. So you guys are gonna get that from Johnny right now. Hopefully this saves people hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and that's what we've been trying to do with the Modded Wear website, is just help people out and bring simple, effective solutions to the community. Right now, because it is Labor Day and we're talking about Modded Wear, there's a sale that's going on, 15% off your entire order. Use the code Labor Day to save even off these bumper tabs. There's no product pictures of this yet, so unfortunately it's just going to be the modded emblem, and it says bumper tab repair kit, and I'll show you right here on the website what it looks like. And it will come with a set of 2 of them, and you will need to buy JB Weld to weld this to your bumper. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or Instagram, which will be down in the description below. The second product we're going to talk about was not designed by us. It was done by Travis at Archer Tuned. He created a simple yet effective solution for this wastegate arm. I already pulled this up, and thank God we have an extra demo car here. But basically, this arm is known to bend and break, and you get a code called P0299. It is common. It is currently what we're throwing right now. He basically created a whole new arm, and we're gonna do a whole install video on how to install the new arm. But essentially what happens is, because the way that this is designed, the little hole kind of wears out, and it ends up not, basically doesn't go into boost rate and kind of starts throwing these check engine lights. Right now, the only solution for this from Alfa Romeo is to replace the entire turbo unit, which is absolutely bonkers. So this retails for $169. We partnered with Travis, and we are now offering this on the Modded Wear website, so you can buy directly from us. And yeah, and you can get this from our website. We just ordered a huge inventory of them, and they will be here ready to ship from Texas. So if you're looking for a replacement, or if you have a code P0299, hit us up, and hopefully we can help you bring you to a more cost-effective solution. So those of you who don't really want to upgrade to hybrid, maybe a simple solution for you guys. A little bit of change of scenery for you guys, because that garage is super dark. If you happen to be in the DFW area and you need a replacement and you don't want to deal with kind of lifting up that turbo blanket and everything like that, 3 Cross Garage, our sponsor of today's video, can actually help you guys install it, and they'll have them in stock. So you guys, if you have that code and you need a simple solution and you do not know how to work on your cars, a 3 Cross Garage can help you install it in the DFW and the surrounding areas. Yeah. Now, if you are not in the DFW area, unfortunately, you're gonna have to maybe do it yourself or find somebody else to follow our how-to video, which will be coming out pretty soon. Yeah. And I think Alpha Mods is working on a how-to video as well. So you have 2 different versions of it that you guys can watch and follow step by step. It's a very simple installation, but I know some people who just don't want to touch their cars. But you lucked out if you are in the DFW area. Super shout out to 3 Cross Garage for always supporting us and everything that we do here.
Hey guys, getting ready to work on this Q4 Ti. I've got some parts from Modded Motors. They sent me, were kind enough to send me some of this stuff to try to fix my bumper. I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. Incredible packaging, sealed perfectly, nothing got lost. He even threw in a little spare tab for my motor cover. See, I'm missing one there, so threw one in this bag for me. I really appreciate that. Getting ready to take the bumpers off. So our front bumper, I already took the inner fender liner out on both sides. The main thing that I'm going to focus on is this right here, and I think a lot of us have already had this issue, and you can see that I've tried to fix it several times, and it's just not, the fix that I had is just not working out. So, but we'll do, I'll show you stuff once I get it out of the packaging and see how it looks. All right, well, the bumper's off, and we're back to this side here where most of the damage was. I cleaned it up really, really well. I know some scratches and stuff. I had a bunch of JB Weld and some other crap on there. Just kind of trying to keep it together. Never could get it to stick for very long. So we're going to try this, see how this works. This seems like it's going to be a better option. Let me show you what it looks like. You see that? There you go. That's the, this is going to actually be attached to the bumper itself, and it's going to fit in here like this. Already fit it once, just to test fit. Look at that. Very nice. So I guess the trick's going to be to make sure we get this attached to the bumper properly and lined up. So this allows for your screws on your inner fender, one here and one here, to hold that thing in place. So let me I'm gonna take this off and clean up the bumper, apply some more weld, and see if it'll stay. All right, well, I got the tabs attached. They've been sitting on and drying for a few hours. They look pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, with the little bit of experience I just got, I think I could do better next time. I think preparation is going to be the biggest thing. I was able to get all the old JB weld that I used last time and cleaned all that off of there. It was not a plastic weld. It was some sort of steel JB weld that I used, kind of all I had. But this time I got the let's see, plastic weld, translucent yellow. It gets really hard. All right, guys, I'm gonna stick it back on there and see how it looks. I mean, look at the difference. Holy cow. Man, is that better than OEM? I don't know. And it's not even completely 100% attached yet. I still have to put in a few screws. Wow.
Hopefully this video was extremely informative. Super shout out to Johnny for filming that whole how-to video. That helped us out a lot because we didn't have one to.
You did such a good job.
Yeah, phenomenal job. You would have thought he was a content creator.
No,
hopefully you guys can understand like what we're doing. We're trying to find products that are going to help the community, be simple and effective solutions without spending a ton of money to fix and maintain your guys' cars. And that's what all we're trying to do. Shout out to Mike, who helped us build those bumper tabs. Shout out to Travis, who partnered with us, which was really cool to see. And hopefully we can build Moddedware as a one-stop shop solution. Little simple fixes for your Alpha needs. So happy Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any product questions, again, feel free to email us, reach out to us on Instagram, or whatever you need. We're happy to help. See you guys in the next one, which will be a QV video. I guess.
Huh?
Shoot it.
Ready?